Good morning, my stars. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, kindly click that subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, so today I'm gonna be spending my day with you guys. Yes, so just came out of the shower, and as always I start my morning with a cup of coffee, because who doesn't? So I also received a package this morning that I'm gonna be opening with you guys. Yes, it's an Amazon package. So let's see what we got here. Oh, this day is already exciting. Starting a day with a package. Can't think of a better way to start a day. Oh, so this is my Medicube mask that I ordered. It's a collagen night wrapping mask. And then this, it's a Medicube collagen capsule cream. Yep. So let me know in the comments if you want to see my morning shower routine or my night shower routine. Yeah, I'll be glad to do that for you guys. Oh, so let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Oh, a lot of sealing. Yeah, I can't wait to try it. I've been wanting to try the Medicube brand for a very long time, but I think it's time, and I'm gonna come back and give you a review. So today's plans are going to the market for groceries. This is the Medicube. Going to the market for groceries. Yeah, we need some food in the house, but before that we'll go clean up the fridge because it's dirty. So let's go do that. Come with me. That's my outfit of the day.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
ended up doing a lot of cleaning, but that's what a wifey does. So anyway, it's 11. Let's head out for grocery shopping. I've also not taken anything since I woke up apart from coffee, so we're gonna grab something outside. Yeah, so let's go shopping. We made a stop at Wawa to grab a snack. Let's see what we find. Thank you.
Like it tasted me good. Keep good breath on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around.
Let's see if we can get a snack.
Crazy, I'm letting down my blood. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Never wanna trust them.
Ended up getting a buffet. I love them. This is a strawberry one. No, not strawberry, blueberries. Yeah.
I'm in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me.
Finally at the grocery store. It was quite a ride. It's called BB's Grocery Outlet. It's a discounted store, so yeah, I have to take the advantage. So let's go see the goodies we get here. It's so sunny, but at least it's not humid today. Yeah, so I think the weather is almost nice. Our grocery shopping is going on well. It's grocery stroke shopping. I don't know. Okay, we are shopping everything food. Yeah, so far that's our cut. Some coffee, more coffee. We are still shopping.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time.
There's all this makeup stuff for under $2. Oh my god. I'm taking the advantage, and I think I'll do a separate video of showing you everything I got. But for now, let's keep checking all the stuff I need. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Can you all see that? So far I have got a loose powder. I'm getting a lot, so yeah.
I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Whew. Back home, and I'm so hungry. We left the house at 11. It's 3. So yeah, got some sushi. Time to eat.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
So hubby's helping me to put away the stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna show you when the fridge is done. I was in a very bad condition, hunger-wise. Just tell me why I'm done with all the shushing within 10 minutes. I was not in a great state. Wiped a whole plate. And I could eat some more.
My killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
Decide where I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide doing what I want.
get some me time.
So this is all the groceries we got. A lot of fruits, because who doesn't love fruits? A lot of grapes, blueberries, blackberries. Then my yogurts, I love this yogurt so much. Yeah, and that's everything for the fridge. So have a pineapple here and some bananas. Yeah. Also got some chocolates, cause why not? Yeah, so this is where I store my chocolate. This is like my chocolate drawer. So let's start this up. Also got some healthy snacks, some nuts. Yep, and this is our snacks drawers. Oh, it's so full, but we're gonna try to fit them anyway.
Feel like you're testing me. Keep moving for a breath on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around. You said you wanna.
I took a little nap because I got so tired. Yeah, but then I was woken up by a car in the driveway, another Amazon package, two packages in one day. So it's also 4:20 right now. So let's go pick the package on the front door. We unbox it, and then we're gonna fold some clothes, and then we're gonna close this video.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like
I wonder what this
once.
could be, because I got so many stuff here.
Life move fast and you do what you want.
So it's got unbox it. I'm having
This time doing what I want.
just making up and unboxing. Okay, I think my camera is good. It was misbehaving. I think sometimes it overheats. Kindly, if you have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or Osmo Pocket 4, let me know if your camera overheats. because I think my camera will be acting up sometimes, like it's like possessed or something. Anyway, oh, it's our shower gel. It's a turmeric body wash. Yeah, so of late I'm investing on my skincare products, face products, and body products. Yeah, so this had good reviews and ratings. Yeah, so we're gonna try it out. In the morning, you saw we unboxed some face stuff, some Korean makeup stuff, not makeup stuff, skincare stuff. Yeah, so have to try. Trist, I'll be like, I tried, and but my face has been so much better. Actually, I can't complain at all. My face has been, yeah, should continue with the same vibe, the same energy, the same skin healing, cause yeah, I used to suffer bad acne, both acne and pimples and dark spots. Yeah, but we are doing much better. I'm proud of myself, and I'm not giving up until like I'm satisfied with my face and my skin. Yeah, so let's fold some clothes and we wrap this video up.
Frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you're the prince and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. You full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be mine. You fucking worried with my heart. Just think it ever be short. Please see I'm letting down my blood. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. That's what I wanna dress down. I need to hear it from you. If we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me.
So it's almost 5 and I want to upload a video, so I'll be trying my best to upload a video every Wednesday and Sunday, guys, so stay tuned. Yep, and then this video is slowly coming to an end, so if you've made it until here, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, that's how I basically spend my day, but every day is different from the other, but at least you've seen my today's day, how I've spent it. I'm so glad to have spent it with you guys. So until next time, bye.